Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Rolex Lady Datejust 28 in steel and yellow gold with a champagne index dial on Jubilee bracelet with a domed smooth yellow gold bezel. Reference 279163. I'll tell you a little bit about the history of this watch. Then I'll tell you about where it stands in the lineup of other similar Datejust. Then I'll tell you about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement. Finally, try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start just with a little history that they just came out in 1945, and it has gone on to make many different variations in many different sizes. The sizes can be broken up into size 28, 31, and 36 for women, and this is the smallest, 28. Previously, around 10 years ago, I want to say around 2017 or 18, Rolex decided to change from this 26 millimeters to 28 millimeters, and that's what you see here. These are 28 millimeters, 28, 2 millimeters bigger than the previous generation, which makes it still very small, but at least a little bit more legible. All right, now you get to have just a little history. Where does it stand in the lineup? Well, the Datejust 28 comes in many variations. You can break it down by basically material. They come in steel, all steel, steel and yellow gold, which is what this one is, steel and rose gold. They also have it in all precious metal, which would be yellow gold, white gold, and rose gold. And then they have different bezel configurations: diamond bezel, no diamond bezel, fluted bezel, this dome bezel as you see here, or smooth bezel. And they have different bracelets and different dial configurations, etc. In total, there's probably more than 100 different Datejust 28s, but we're going to focus on this one. So now you know where it stands in the lineup, sort of mid-pack in terms of price at least. And so let's start talking about the watch, starting with the case. The case is going to be 28 millimeters. From my thumb to my index finger. It's all made of stainless steel, which is very robust, as you can imagine, and it houses the movement, which needs to be strong. That's why it's made in steel, and it's around 11 millimeters in thickness. It has time and date only. That's why it's able to maintain such a thinness of only 11 millimeters. Pretty nice. It has high polished lugs. The lugs are the things that connect to the bracelet. Those are all done in high polish, and so is the rest of the case. So yeah, okay, let's look at the bezel. Now the bezel here is probably the most interesting part of this. And now why would you want to opt for not having the fluted bezel, which is the most iconic part of Rolex? Well, because not everybody wants to advertise that they're wearing a expensive Rolex. Maybe you're just a little bit more low key of a woman, or you want to keep your watch lower low key for whatever reason, or you just like the look and cleaner look of this dome bezel. At any rate, the point is the most recognizable part of a Rolex is the fluted bezel. You take that away, it becomes less recognizable. It's still every bit a Rolex, but it's less recognizable. Maybe that's a good thing, and some people like it. The bezel is still going to be made out of yellow gold, so it's still super luxurious and beautiful. It's just not going to have that fluting anymore. Now, if you like that fluting, of course, we still sell it. You could go to jazztime.com and simply buy it there at the lowest price anywhere online. Okay. Let's move on to the dial here. What I like about this dial, well, it's a champagne dial, so it matches the rest of the watch in yellow gold. I like that. It also has an index dial. The index dial makes it very legible and also legible at night. So if you shine this light at it, you can see what does it look like at night. It's very easily readable, and it has the date at the 3 o'clock. And yeah, I think it's a very clean, good looking watch this way. Okay, let's look at the bracelet. It's going to be a Jubilee bracelet. There's no comfort extension. What that means is there's no possibility to extend the bracelet out so that it's longer or shorter, depending on if your hand swells or not. So you'd actually have to remove or add links. But it's not a bad thing. It looks, it's a very smooth, beautiful bracelet. The Jubilee is more traditional, makes it look more like a Rolex. And it also is much more form-fitting and comfortable than actually the Oyster would be. Okay, let's look at the movement. It's a 2236 movement. It is covered here, so you can't see it. It has a power reserve of 55 hours. That means you put it down, and in 2 days and change, 2.5 days, you have to pick it up and use it, or else it'll stop working. All right, Time to try this watch on my wrist and give my thoughts. I like the Datejust a lot, especially in this configuration. I think for those women who have a wrist size of 5.5 millimeters or smaller, it's really the perfect watch for you. And those who want to stay a little bit undercover or don't want to mess with having a fluted bezel that's going to get all dinged up, because that's actually what happens to them. So you could choose or opt for this dome bezel configuration. Still very luxurious, still looks amazing. So I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. And look, if you want to buy at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.